Yo, what is going on, you guys? It's Marshall here, and today we're gonna head over to my buddy Brandon's place because I gotta teach him how to drive stick. You guys didn't see in the last video, dude bought a brand new Civic Type R, except he doesn't know how to drive stick yet. So we're gonna go over there. He's gonna learn how to drive stick for the very first time on nothing other than a brand new Civic Type R. So it's only fitting. Take my ITR over there, and we'll catch you guys there. So we're at Brandon's, finishing cleaning up his car finally from the road trip. Taking him a while because there's a bunch of crap on it. So it's probably gonna be nighttime when we film this, but I gotta teach this guy how to finally drive his brand new car. Comment below over under 15 stalls in this car. We're about to find out. Got the OG and the young blood. Probably get a photo shoot later when it's sunny out. But first time they're together. Unfortunately, sun's gonna go down, so probably the next half of this video is gonna be at nighttime. So hopefully you guys can see what's popping. Brandon's adjusting everything. He's pretty nervous. How nervous are you? Seeing all the seat placement, making sure you can press the clutch all the way in.
So
whether you're neutral, it doesn't matter.
Let me say this, and you can correct me as I go along. My concept of the clutch is that when I'm putting it in, I'm either changing gears, and then I change my gear, and then I can let go.
And then you can start letting go.
I can start letting go of the clutch. Or when I'm coming to a stop, I have to start putting the clutch in.
Yeah, you have to put the clutch in.
Because if I'm stopped and the clutch is not in, I'm gonna stall.
Yeah, you can see your revs. You'll watch the revs.
Right.
Like you'll see them go below, like, so like it wants to be at around 1K.
Okay.
So like at idle. But like, so you'll see like.
Anything below is kind of dangerous.
Well, once it starts going down, that means it's like, you need to have the clutch out.
Right.
You know, it's like the car's gonna stall.
Right, okay.
Yeah, and that's how it stalls. It starts the bog. Like you'll feel the engine like start dying.
I hear
below one.
I watched a video and it's a big tip. It said, when in doubt, just clutch in.
Yeah, and put it into reverse. So reverse is gonna be all the way to the right. Now put it down.
So I'm
right, and now you're in reverse. So you have that.
Okay.
So slowly let out the clutch, and you can start feeling where it wants to go. Right, and then put the gas in so you can feel it. See, now just put the gas and let the gas do it. Now you can see how you're like going like that.
Yeah.
It's easy to drive this car. Fuck, like.
Okay.
Yeah, and
I can hold on the brake.
Feels good, right? And you can like kind of tell if you're like.
Oh, and I don't even have to brake because it won't let me.
See, now you're in gear, so like just put it in neutral now.
Okay.
And now you can take your foot off the clutch. Easy. So now let's try to go over there.
Okay, so clutch in, and then
clutch in, and then put it in first.
Okay.
And then slowly let out, and you'll feel it, and then you want to match that with the revs. No, be slow. Like literally feel like it'll start. It can roll by itself, right? See how it's rolling by itself right now? You're not using any gas.
Right.
So put in a little bit of gas.
Okay.
And then a little bit of gas, and the more gas, and now let go, and then at the same time let go of your clutch. Now let go of the clutch completely, and now you're going.
Okay. And then I want to come to a stop.
And if you come down, you gotta put the clutch in. See how like the revs start going down, and now you can brake.
And now I can brake, right?
Yeah. See how you're like kind of like blipping it though?
Yeah.
Like
I'm not smooth.
Try to feel out the gas pedal where you're like barely putting in the gas. Like it's a roll. Okay. You know, it's like a continuous.
Gotcha.
So now go to like 2.5.
2.5. And
then try to shift. Do you think you can? It's easy to shift. Now put it in second. Now put the clutch all the way in, and then put it into second gear, and then let it out. Yeah.
That was
super easy to shift.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Shifting is really easy. So just keep going. See how you can see your revs, right?
Yeah,
you just want to make sure it's like. You know, it's higher than that.
Gotcha.
So then wherever you want to turn around.
Okay, let's turn around here.
You know, so but make sure you're watching your revs because it's like, you know, it's like you probably need a clutch in here.
Right, clutch in a little bit.
Yeah, because it's going to go down. And now you can let it out slowly. You can still in second probably still. But
in first.
Yeah.
And I just want to.
So you're still like doing like a really like boom. But I mean, it's good. Like you're not stalling. Like give it more gas. Like go. You know, like drive the car. You You know, like keep it going.
I'm good, right?
Yeah,
And I'm like my revs at 1400.
See how I feel? Like this is.
Yeah.
And then.
And I'm gonna go to the same stop and clutch it, and then put it in
just
neutral.
get used to going. Let's just keep doing this.
Yeah,
I think this is the best way for you to learn.
All right, and then
like just keep getting in and out of
here.
first.
So clutch in.
Yeah.
Boom. Put in neutral.
Yeah.
And then boom.
And then I come to a stop, and then let's just try it again. But what you did that time too is like you're like boom. You're still like It's not smooth. Like just try to feel it.
Okay.
Like the slower. Try to go slower. Like I think
know
because you're a little nervous, like you're a little rushing it.
Yeah.
But like try to, you know.
Okay.
Just the smoother, like you can think, it'll just become natural.
All right.
Like this is the hardest part about driving stick too.
Let's go. Boom.
And you already got it. It's best to like I watch.
Ooh.
Yeah. See.
So I stalled.
Yeah.
the car.
You went. Yeah.
I went too fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta like. It's real smooth. Like.
Okay.
Like. Fuck. Like.
I know.
I wonder what the best way.
No,
for
it's
you
just
to,
me. Like now, I kind of know what it is.
Yeah.
I need to know like the feeling, and I kind of don't know the feeling, you know, at all.
Alright, we're just perfecting it now. Roll on. Nice. That was good.
Better, right?
And I felt like you were all the way out of the clutch too,
Yeah.
and it was smooth, and you got out really fast.
Yeah.
Damn, this video is kind of boring, dude. Apparently CTR too easy to learn how to drive stick on. Too easy to drive this car. Yeah. We're just I'm just teaching him how to like perfect how to get out of first. We're just going in circles here, literally just getting in and out of first, showing him how to roll off the clutch because he's a little scared, obviously, you know. Just keep it a smooth motion. Oh, not bad. Yeah, it's still a little jerky because he doesn't understand, you know, like the left foot, right foot, same time, smoothness, feeling out, just making sure he feels out where the catch point is. About 2 hours in. Feel the clutch?
Oh wait.
Your parking brake is on.
Okay. Always forget about that.
Nice. This is what we've been doing for over an hour. But it's easy, like you can get out of first every time. And then go here.
This light is in my face. And then the clutch in.
More light, dude. More light. Clutch in.
Oh, but I could keep it in one when I'm clutching it, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, stall. You got a little scared.
A
He
little
was driving places. Yeah, I got a stall number 2 only.
Yeah, 2. Okay.
So it's the same thing, right?
Same thing.
So feel out. You see the car's rolling. Now you can just let out the. Yeah, you can.
A little bit fast, but okay. All right.
Now you're going. Go faster.
I want to go.
You don't want to shift. Go to like 3K and then shift into second. Now shift. And you go faster. Now. Like when you're shifting, it's just you can just come out of it.
Gotcha.
You don't have to worry about it.
Gotcha.
Really go, and now go to the speed. Now shift into second. Now let out the clutch. Nice. Now roll. Nice.
Nice.
Alright, let's try to try to downshift here.
Okay.
So try to put it in first, and then go all the way, rev it to 4K. Now let it out. Nice. See?
Oh, that was a lot better.
Yeah. See how that works?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Moving, boys.
Interesting.
Alright, we're on the main road.
Wow.
Easy. 1 a.m. so there's like no traffic. Easy. First right turn. No cars. No cars for days. So you just woo.
Right there.
Oh, there we go.
A little jerky.
Yeah, you get your foot off the gas when you shift.
Okay.
Nice.
Wow.
What do you think, dude?
Wow. This car goes fast.